Is your Mazda CX-5 key fob not working? This often involves issues needing a reset, relearn, or resync. A reset clears the fob's memory, often by removing the battery. Relearning reprograms the fob to your car's system. Resyncing simply re-establishes communication. Most issues stem from dead batteries, signal interference, or general wear. Try replacing the battery first. If that doesn't work, you might need to relearn or resync the fob. Recent CX-5 model 2023 Plus offer over-the-air updates that can address minor glitches, and some have infotainment-based resync options. Remember, Mazda's key fobs use a rolling code to prevent theft, making reprogramming necessary when issues arise. To begin relearning your Mazda CX-5 key fob, ensure all doors are closed and unlocked. This prepares the vehicle for programming. Next, insert your key into the ignition. Cycle the key to the on position 4 times within 10 seconds, but do not start the engine. End in the off position. Now, press and hold the lock button on your key fob for 3 to 5 seconds. Watch for the vehicle's lights to flash, confirming programming. If you have additional key fobs, repeat the previous step for each one to program them all. Finally, test each programmed fob by locking and unlocking the doors to ensure everything works correctly. This process works for most Mazda CX-5 models from 2017 to 2025. If reprogramming fails or you suspect a body control module issue, consult a dealership. For newer 2025 models, explore the My Mazda app for additional resync features.